Hi guys, today we're gonna make a strawberry smoothie. You need 250 grams of strawberry, 2 tablespoons of sweetener, 1 cup of whipping cream, 10 pieces of ice, and 1 cup of coconut milk. First, let's put the strawberries in. Too much. Now, add the 2 tablespoons of sweetener. There you go. I put all? Yeah. Now, add the 10 ice cubes. Oh. The whipping cream. And pour all? Yeah, pour all. Now, add the coconut milk. We didn't manage to put everything, but at least put half. Time to blend the smoothie. Time to take it out. Without assistance from the adult, I managed to open it. Time to pour. Yay! Okay. I don't think I should. Okay, that's enough. Justin! Did it. Time to test. Yummy! Yummy!